Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Unique Fashion Every Sense. I am going to say that a maxi dress is like a jacket for your legs, but then I realized there already a name for the pants. Here we are anyway. Let's be real, you probably don't need it 5 reasons to wear your favorite maxi dress. In fact, reason number 1 below is enough to get me to pull out my wallet. A maxi dress isn't just an of clothing. It's a lifestyle, the kind of lifestyle where stress is minimized. Inspiring this post is the dress I am wearing today by a brand eno- enormous with great length and breathtaking floral pants. Don't hesitate, hit purchase. This brand can be it. I have already purchased it in the both colors. The first and perhaps most obvious reason to wear a maxi dress is that you can put on literally one thing and maybe fully outfitted for the day or evening. Another way to say this fashion for kidding, but there is something very low stress about a one and done look that I love, and this particular dress is the perfect canvas for a few of my favorite accessories. I am going to say that a maxi dress is like a jacket for the leg, but hear me out anyway. With a maxi dress